Hello everyone. How are you? I hope you all done great. Today's lesson is Science subject for Grade 3. Lesson 10. This tutorial prepared by Dawar hawrami for Dr. Mustafa Zalmi Private Basic School. Chapter 2. Vocabulary. Groundwater. Water cycle. Evaporation. Condensation. Precipitation. Chapter 2. Vocabulary. Groundwater. Water cycle. Evaporation. Condensation. Precipitation. Water. There's plenty of water on Earth. In fact, Earth is nearly covered with it. Most of the water on Earth is salty. But fresh water is mostly frozen. And even the water seems to be everywhere. In some places on Earth there is almost no water at all. Vocabulary. Groundwater. Vocabulary. Groundwater. Water on Earth. The importance of water. Without water there could be no life on Earth. Plants and animals need water to live. So do people. 2/3 of your body is water. People must drink at least 2 liters of water each day to stay healthy. Even the foods you eat are full of water. Chicken is 3/4 water. A potato is 4/5 water. Water is important to Earth's environment. Without water there would be no rivers, lakes, or oceans. There would be no rain, snow, or clouds. Industry uses about half of our fresh water. Water is used to wash things, to cool things down, and to make products. Water is used to ornament parks and squares. Here are water fountains in a square in Erbil. Types of water. Most water on Earth is found in oceans. This water is salt water. Many plants and animals, such as algae and fish, live in salt water. Only a little of Earth's water is fresh. Fresh water has very little salt in it. Some fresh water has no salt at all. But most of the fresh water on Earth is frozen. Fresh liquid water 1%. Fresh frozen water 2%. Salt water 97%. Fresh liquid water 1%. Fresh frozen water 2%. Salt water 97%. What are the 2 types of water on Earth? Salt water and fresh water. What are the 2 types of water on Earth? Salt water and fresh water. Fresh water. The rain or snow that falls to Earth is fresh water. This water flows over the ground and into rivers, streams, ponds, and most lakes. Fresh water can also be found under Earth's surface. This water is called groundwater. You use fresh water when you drink, bathe, water your plants, or cook your food. Fresh river water is used to generate electricity. Dams are built on rivers forming lakes. Water flowing from the lakes behind the dams starts up the engines which generate electricity. Groundwater flows out to Earth's surface as springs. The photo shows the Baikal Spring in Kurdistan. Where is fresh water found on Earth? In the rain or snow that falls to Earth and in the rivers, streams, ponds, and most lakes. Where is fresh water found on Earth? In the rain or snow that falls to Earth and in the rivers, streams, ponds, and most lakes. Water is trapped behind the dam. Water flows downward with high speed through pipes within the wall of the dam. When the rapidly flowing water reaches the plant, it starts up the engines and generates electricity. After its use in generating electricity, water is used to irrigate plants. Conserving fresh water. To make sure there is enough clean fresh water for everyone, it is important to conserve it and use it properly. Turn off the water when you brush your teeth. To avoid contaminating water. Don't pour paints, oils, or other harmful liquids down the drain. These liquids can get into the water people drink and make it unhealthy. How can fresh water be conserved? Turn off the water when you brush your teeth. And don't pour paints, oils, or other harmful liquids down the drain. Salt water. The salt water of Earth's oceans covers more than 2/3 of our planet's surface. The Pacific Ocean is Earth's largest ocean. It is so big that all of Earth's land could fit inside it. You may think that ocean water is not important because you don't drink it. But fish and other ocean animals and plants are food for millions of people. Where is salt water found on Earth? Salt water can be found in ocean and some seas. Where is salt water found on Earth? Salt water can be found in ocean and some seas. Summary. More than 2/3 of Earth's surface is covered by water. Most of this water is the salt water of oceans and seas. Fresh water is found in lakes, ponds, rivers, springs, and groundwater. Nothing could live on Earth without water. Fish in seas and oceans are an important source of food for millions of people. In some places fresh water is scarce. This water treatment plant removes the salt from ocean water to make it fresh. Review. 1. List 3 ways fresh water is used. Drink, bath, and cooking food. 2. What is the underground water named? Groundwater. 3. What are the benefits of Earth's oceans? Supply food for human through plants and fish. 4. Why do scientists believe that frozen water on Earth is an important resource? Because it is source of fresh water. 5. Test prep. Which of the following is true of all ocean water? A. It is warm. B. It is salty. C. It is fresh. D. It is frozen. Correct answer is B. It is salty.